Daylight and evening light are different. Get ready to get more confused. I'm here to raise a new question in your mind with respect to how you design your room. Sometimes knowing right question can lead you to great solution. Let us talk about lights, daylight and evening lights. Daylight is natural light which enters your home during morning and during afternoon. Evening light is what you get in evening. But both have different qualities and different effects on same color inside your room. If you choose a color for a room, ask yourself whether that room gets more of a daylight or evening light. What effects will it have on the color you choose? One of my uncle always used to buy clothes in daytime. He will never buy a new shirt in evening or night. He said he wanted to see color of shirt in daylight. That would give him exact idea of the color, the real natural color. Inside your house, we are talking about similar problem. When you choose a color, make sure it works with daylight and evening light available to you.